Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Lab. Get ready to lower your expenditure for MTN data. Buying data has become tough, but just hang in there. I will show you some easy ways to get cheap bundles as an MTN user. So this video actually looks at how you'll be able to get affordable or cheap MTN Ghana bundle. So guys, stick and stay. I'll be back for more. Alright, so we all know the general ussd code used in buying data for MTN users in Ghana is *138#, and that is the code. So the code that we have been using is *138#, but I'm going to show you a way you'll be able to buy bundles which is very affordable as MTN user. Now the first ussd or method that we are going to use is the MTN Zone bundle. To use the MTN Zone bundle, you just have to dial *135 and then you pick your hash, *135#, and then you send. So you have to pick option 2, which is Zone bundles. Then you go to zone number 1. So these are the bundles that we are talking about. So you can see that from here you'll be able to get 1 GB for 2 cedi, 39 pesos, 2 GB for 1 day, which is 19 pesos, and then 5 GB for 1 day, which is 4 cedi, 79 pesos. So if you are the sort of person who always use data every single day, you download stuff, you download videos, you download programs and etc., the MTN Zone bundle is for you. The second ussd code is a midnight bundle. So you just dial *138# and then you send. So here you go for option 1 and then you go for option 2, which is midnight bundles. So you buy for yourself and then you can enter any amount that you want. So for 2 cedis you get 5.69 GB. That is for the midnight bundle, 2 cedis. And note that the midnight bundle starts from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. every midnight. And the good thing is that this bundle do not expire. It is non-expiry. So if you use it for this particular midnight, the next midnight, if it is not finished, you can also use it. The third ussd method or code is what you call the Coco bundle. This is for those who cannot stay at midnight, you understand? And then you can also get this from the morning, early in the morning. With 1 cedi you can get like 400 megabytes. To get that to you have to dial *138 *1 *3 and then hash, then you send. So this is the Coco bundle where you'll be able to get 400 megabytes just for 1 cedi and then 6 pesos. Yeah, these are bundles, very affordable. Yes. And then the next one is the social media bundle. The social media bundle is for only social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook app, or Facebook Messenger, and etc. You cannot use this bundle to browse using your web browser. Then you go to YouTube and then you browse. No. So this bundle is solely for social media apps like WhatsApp app, Facebook Messenger app, and so on. So you just dial *138, then you send. You pick 1, you go to 99, which is more, and then you pick number 4, which is social media bundles. then you can buy for yourself. So with this, you can select whichever that you want, and then you are good to go. It is solely for social media. Yeah. And the next one that you can really buy is for TurboNet user. If you are someone who is using MTN TurboNet, you have to dial *5057#, and then you can make purchases of your bundle. Yes, MTN broadband. You can also follow the process and do it there. So it is a way for you to be able to save money for the data that you buy. I know that most people actually know about these codes, but some people do not know. So this is just to educate all, even if you know the code. So you have to make sure you minimize your cost of how you buy data and how you also use your data. So this process is for you to know for educational purposes. Follow Sidako Tech Lab on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube to get content like this. And don't forget to like, send in your comment, and then make sure you share this video as well. Stay safe, and then see you in the next episode. I'm out.